Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Gakubu Ruth, and you're back again with another hair tutorial. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel. We'll be doing Bantu knots and we'll get straight into it. So I'm starting with old hair. As you can see, this is the hair that I've been having for the past 2.5 weeks. When it gets to Tuesday, that will be 3 weeks. So I want to push it a little bit longer, so I'm just updating the existing hairstyle into a new one. So ideally what I'm just doing is just wrapping the knotless braids around themselves and making such a knot, so to make Bantu knots, because hey, I'm feeling African and I want to showcase my Africanness to the world using my hair, you know. So that's what I'm doing here. Ideally, this whole hairstyle took me 15 minutes from start to finish. And that I mean exactly 15 minutes. I'm not even lying about it. So guys, keep watching. Let me know what are your thoughts. I really love this hairstyle because it refreshes and gives you a new look and gives you more time to wear your hairstyle and allows less manipulation to your natural hair, which is the goal this year, you know. So for you to do your long-term protective styles, you need to do versatile hairstyles that will allow you to enjoy wearing them, as you also make sure that you're not manipulating your hair excessively, because that is the devil when it comes to length retention in natural hair. So this is exactly what I'm doing. There's not much that I can explain in words, but I believe as you watch what I'm doing, you can already tell what doing Bantu knots entails with braids. So for the Bantu knots, what you also need to know is that when you're doing the Bantu knots, you need to make a firm, like when you're tying it, it should be firm but also not so painful, so that it doesn't come off. Because as you will see, I'll be taking one of the Bantu knots at the front of my head because I realized it was loose and didn't look good, so meaning that it might come off, you know. You don't want to be walking around and have hair looking raggedy. That's the piece that I'm talking about. So I took it off because it felt loosely wrapped, so that's what I'm wrapping again to make a better and firm knot that will allow me to wear this hairstyle for days, because I don't want to wear a hairstyle that I have to take care or to take out in the next day or two, you know. I want to wear a hairstyle that will allow me not to touch my head and allow me access to my scalp for at least a week, you know. So that's what we are doing here, and there's nothing much to explain, to be honest, but you can watch. Let me know what other videos you want to see, because I would be delighted to show you anything else that you want to see me try with this hair. I did a video where I showed you different ways to style your chunky braids. So here I am also showing you that you can do the Bantu knots with your braids. So let me know what else you'd want to see and any other videos that you'd want to watch, you know. So until next time guys, enjoy the rest of the video and consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. I was just admiring the hairstyle so far, and I felt like this could be a style where I leave the back of my braids undone, so it is not Bantu knots at the front and braids at the back. Felt like a style, but that was not what I was going for. But you could try that, and especially when your hair is still new, and then eventually do the back of your head. So that's what I was thinking there, and I believe that would be a bomb hairstyle. So until next time guys, peace. Let me know and leave a comment what you think about this hairstyle guys. I really would love to hear your thoughts, and criticize the video, criticize the style, and give positive criticism, because at the same time we grow by helping others grow. So yeah, I'm here for it. Let me hear what your thoughts are, what you'd want to see next, what you'd want me to improve on, and I'll be glad to look into it, consider it, and even to the extent of implementation. So looking forward to seeing you next time, guys. Bye.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night.